Hi sir, my name is Ishan and this is the project named Cloud Computing and its impact on IT, and my supervisor is Fash Sabzari. So in this project I add practical work which is to-do list, and I will show how it works. So this is the some packages and libraries, and there are some functions in my cloud, sorry, in the code. So there are some tasks, delete tasks, mark completed tasks. So all these are functions, and after that there are some widgets and to hold the data and all that button widgets, etc. in my code. After this, let's run this code to show how it works. After running, you can see the prompt window. Let's add some task in the project. So I'm going to add the task, add task. So the quiz is added. I can also mark it as complete, and I can also delete it. Uh, yes, sir. So how it this is work. So after this, I'm going to integrate it. How it involves the cloud computing in this project. So there is the upload to Google Drive function, and there are some different functions which will help me to upload it to Google Drive and uh, cloud server. So let's run this code to see the output. So here I'm going to add the to-do list quiz. Another task is assignment. Let's add another task which is exam. So after this add task, you can see that tasks, the text file is in the directory. Let's open this file. You can see that quiz, assignment, and exam has been added in this file. So now I'm going to tell you how it will upload it to cloud server or Google Drive to show some impacts on IT, and to how cloud is involved in this project. So for this purpose, I think I will go to console.google.com. So this is basically this is the function which will help us to upload it to the cloud server. So let's move to console.com to create the API and enable some APIs to uh, let this work. And you can see that it's loading. Enable API and services. After clicking enable and API and services, uh, Google Drive API. Let's manage this. After clicking manage Google Drive API, so you can see that overview, API and services. Now you can see that the status of Google Drive API is enabled now. The type of Google Drive is public API. So I have to download the JSON file here to yes, the JSON file is downloaded now. Now I have to go to the Google Drive as I run this project at the start of the video demonstration. Uh, so I can see some results. This is the path I gave in which Python and PyCharm code is written. So this is basically a directory in which all the files are put in. So let's see Google Drive and our task, and here As I open my task file, you can see that quiz, assignment, and exam has been added. So how it works and how uh, I can save my task file or to-do list file on the cloud server or Google Drive. So moving further, there is a I use Firebase admin. So this is the Firebase for this purpose. So basically, this feature is for multi-user can collaborate collectively, and it will enhance this project as well as practical implementation where IT professionals need to implement single task using multi-user collaboration. So basically, this is the prototype to enhance or define true functionality of impact of cloud on IT. So I used Firebase server, and these are the required packages and libraries and some commands. The rest of the code is basically the same because the project working is the same. So in this part, rest of the code is the same for selecting, creating, and to-do list. Let's after this we'll move to Firebase console. Yes, you can see that all the code is the same. So now moving toward the Firebase console, and here I need to create the project. Here I will create the project, and I will go to the menu option, and then I will show you further. Uh, Here I press the menu button, and then we'll go to the service accounts. Since we are programming in Python, so we will save our SDK configuration in Python and generate the new private key. So this is the new JSON file for the credentials of Firebase, where we will be upload, read, and write task. File has been you can see it's downloaded. JSON file is downloaded. So let's move back to the code, and here uh, we will copy the path of the directory to this function of program. Here you can see the current user is equal to user one. So to enhance the users, we can add and subtract with that. So sir, basically this is the my complete project to show some impact of cloud on IT. So I'm open to any questions in the live question answers. To conclude, I have to say this is the complete working what my project do. So I have to say this that the project can add, remove, and mark as complete the task. So basically, this is a to-do list. So to show some cloud in it, when I run it, it will add that task locally. You can save that list locally in the folder, and it will also store in the cloud server like a Google Drive, as I shown in the Google Drive. So, sir, this is my complete presentation for my product, and I will move forward to my poster. And thank you so much.